guys, and welcome back to Shy's YouTube channel. And Biscuit, you have a pizza crust. Are you going to dig that? Dig a hole in the yard? Yeah, that's what he's doing. Well, anyways, I just wanted to vlog a little. This is Debbie. I'm not shy today. The puppies are down there. Biscuit is following me. Oh, never mind. Biscuit, get out of the road. I don't know why he always does this. He just carries around sticks. Well, not sticks. He carries around. Someone left. They left the water hose on. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna have to turn the water off. Hi, Star. They're over there doing stuff. Our pups. Dad fed them yesterday. He must have forgot to turn off the water. I hate waking them up. I hate waking up them because then they just bark. It's really annoying. If you have coon dogs, comment in the chat. Chill, Jack. Chill. Coming over here to see them. They're so cute. I think the puppies have gotten bigger from when you've seen them. There goes him. What you doing, babies? Hi! Star. Ow. Hi, baby. Let me spray out your kennel here in a minute. Dewey! You're smelling my arm because I had pizza crust. Pizza crust! Pizza crust! Pizza crust! Oh. She's like a cat. She rubs up against here. Are you like a cat? Are you like a cat? Are you like a cat? Ow. But whenever I put my fingers in there and she does that, my hands just go, they just travel with her. Ugh. I'm gonna go see Jack. Come here, Jackie. Hi, Jack. Jack, he's been here for a month. He's not fat anymore, not too fat. Good boy. Anyways, I wanted to tell you guys that Biscuit got a husky pregnant, Siberian husky. Is that right? Wouldn't baby husky biscuits with short tails and blue eyes look so cute? Because their mom, Nova, she is Shy's friend's dog, and it escaped, and it was in heat, so Biscuit was just chasing her around, and now she's pregnant. And Jack and Biscuit were fighting. Aren't you, babies? Biscuit's digging. The puppies are so cute. And you. And why are you? And I'm gonna have to untangle your chain. This is what you do on the daily if you have coon dogs. y'all their ages. Jack is an 8-year-old Walker Coon dog. Star is she's going to be 4. So, and she's a Walker Coon dog. The puppies are 4 months old and they are Walker Coon dogs. And Biscuit is his mom was a Great Pyrenees mixed with a German Shepherd, and his dad was a Blue Heeler. Cross all that together and you got that. Cuties! I'm going, oh look, there's the dog brush. Hi puppies! Shovel. Just gonna walk up here. Biscuit is going farther. Bye Jack, bye Star, bye pups. I'm so sorry they're being too loud. The pumpkins are rotten. Actually just in time because today is the last day, I believe, of Halloween. So it's actually perfect. My mom carved Pollitt because her last name's Pollitt. Kinley, I don't know what she did. I think that's okay. I don't know what that is. And I carved a skeleton. Shy has yet to carve her pumpkin. So that is just how things have been. Yeah. Lexi lives down there. Biscuit is somewhere around here. Here's the car. Hi. And at my birthday party, I'm gonna have my birthday party at the skating rink. And it's in a, my birthday's in 13 days, my birthday party. So we're gonna have it at the skating rink. Our birthday theme, well, I'm gonna be 11 and I love horses and show jumping. So the theme is going to be show jumping. Horses, love them. I wish we didn't live so close to the road so you all could hear me. I just wish we lived somewhere out there. Where Biscuit is. Oh, he just disappeared. Oh, there he is. Jack loves attention. The first night Jack was here, he barked so loud. But I'm so used to dogs barking. I just think it's just whatever. And there's the fake blood from Kinley's costume. Oh, I'm gonna tell y'all what we're doing for Halloween. Kinley will be Carrie. I am going to be a werewolf. And Shy is going to be the nun off the Nun. And Biscuit's going to be Biscuit. Is that right, baby? Come here. Hi. Say hi. These are your fans. Why do you always get so dirty? Here. You have another one? always gets these in his fur. Oh, and he always sleeps on this rug when it's raining. So we're gonna get him a new dog bed. He's sniffing around for tater tots. Tater tots and mini corn dogs are his favorite snack. He likes dog food and all, but this is his favorite. Isn't that right, little baby biscuit? And what me and Shy are going to be doing on her YouTube channel is we are going to be filming vlogs like this every Sunday. But we're gonna be doing YouTube shorts throughout the week. So like when we get home from school, we can like do little photos, videos with Biscuit. So yeah, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. And I guess I will see you all next time. Bye.